Saudi 126, left heading 010, clear Dallas, semi approach, runway 34 left.
010, clear for the approach, 34 left, Saudi 126.
Heading 010, clear for the approach. Auto speed brake. Localizer glass slope, armed.
1000 to go.
Checked. Vertical speed. Vertical speed minus 700. 500. Localizer.
Saudi 126 establish localizer.
Tower 18-5 مع السلامة.
شكرا لك مع السلامة. Tower Saudi 126 10 mile final runway 34 left.
Saudi 126 for control سلام الله عليكم حبيبي. Continue approach runway 34 left.
Continue approach Saudi 126.
Continue approach.
Yeah. Airplane on the runway, still the runway occupied.
Check. Check.
Altitude.
Alt. Glide slope, miss approach 4000.
Check.
Set. Altitude check.
Passing Sudet 2300. Warning altitude check. Radio altimeter alive.
Gear down. Flaps 20. Flaps 30. Land 3. Roll out, flare. Landing check.
Checklist
Saudi
complete.
126 when come 34 left way to land.
Clear to land Saudi 126.
Clear to land.
Stabilize.
Autopilot coming off.
One for 7, Synchrate 750.
Check. 100 to go.
Cruise.
Minimum.
Continue.
Inshallah.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brake up, reverse normal. Okay, have control.
You have controls. $60 knots.
Saudi 126, Alhamdulillah, Salama 1216.
الله يسلمك 121.6 سعودية 126.